a new twist to the JFF election saga. Dirty football politics at its worst. Paper groups with paper votes being pushed through by the camp of the incumbent, only for it to be revealed that at least one of these paper groups, the newly formed Beach Football Association, presented with executive members who never knew they were executive members. So the JFF Congress duly rejected that group. But you know, Sedo, Mike Ricketts and his people, being the incumbents, we thought they had this thing wrapped up. But it don't look so. With all of these lately formed paper groups with paper members who don't know they are paper members, political shenanigans gone bad. That is desperation and panic from a team in trouble. The kind of desperation and panic that could sink the already sinking JFF into deeper waters. The kind of desperation resulting in the kind of action that will render trust in the current leadership of the JFF literally impossible, if it can get any more impossible.